Hello, Ricky Tang here. This ride is the first ride on the bike, the first proper ride since I refitted the chrome cannon, the OEM exhaust, following the revelation that the aftermarket Leo Vince exhaust I had on was actually doing something not good to the motorbike, and the bike was not working at full power. I feel stupid, but I'm happy that I've got the bike back to where it should be. So I'm on dynamic throttle mode. Let's give it a bit of a squirt. Oh wow. People who own this bike, they know what the power's like. They're used to it. Me, I'm not used to it. Oh, it's bloody raining. I just washed the bike. I'll have to wash it again tomorrow. Well, it's going to rain tomorrow as well. That is ridiculous. Let's overtake, shall we? That's SIP gear. SIP gear doesn't do that, or it hasn't been doing that. I know the more that I play with the throttle now, the sooner I'll get used to it, but it's so much fun. It's so much more fun. $4,000. Gosh, that is rapid. Oh, look at these clouds. It's raining over there. No doubt those clouds are touching the ground over there. Yeah, that mid-range, so much stronger than it was. The top end I haven't had a chance to taste yet. Yeah, this machine is transformed. It really is. Can't believe what I did to you, bike, with my ignorance. I hope that you can forgive me. I'm in the rain now. Oh, what a load of crap. Let's hope this way is not... No, the road's already wet. I am now in a proper shower. I'm feeling wet through the coat already. And I might kill one of my cameras. I've got to stop. Let's put the 360 camera away. Oh, great. My hands are so wet, I can't undo the bloody... I might just do that. Luckily, these new tyres, Metzler M9 RR Sport Techs, are bloody good, I've found so far. Oh. It's amazing. In a very weird kind of way, I'm kind of glad it's happened. Because the bike it's got a new lease of life. I was riding the R9T the other day, and obviously at that point this bike was underpowered and I didn't know it. I didn't realise it wasn't performing properly. And although I don't know if I'd actually own an R9T, it was making me think, wow, that's got some performance there that my bike hasn't got. Maybe at some point I should start looking for another bike sooner than I had planned. But I don't think that's the case now. Not that I'm full fat again.